back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. I know most of you want non-phone. There are some people that have told me they don't mind customer service, but leave it down below if you're looking for something specific, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Of course, the links to both pages I am sharing are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Sticker Mule. Now, they are the internet's most kick-ass brand, is what they say, but they are hiring a customer support agent. They're specifically looking for someone to work the shift of 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now, it is a remote job, but they do not specify if they're only hiring within the United States. They do say that their team is spread out all over the world, so it is a possibility that they are hiring worldwide, as long as you can work that 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time shift. But they are paying $21.40 an hour, and this customer service is completely through email. They are looking for somebody to respond to customer inquiries via email in a clear, concise, and comprehensive manner. They specifically state they only provide support through email and social media, primarily Twitter, so you have to have exceptional writing skills, but this is going to be a complete non-phone job. You'll respond to customer inquiries, you'll assist in writing and maintaining their FAQ page, you'll help suggest opportunities to make customers happier for their product team, and you'll suggest opportunities to improve the quality and efficiency of their customer service operation. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They're looking for someone who has 1 year or more experience in some kind of customer service role. Of course, somebody who has great writing skills and someone who has experience working remotely. Again, the hours are 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. They're paying $21.40 an hour. And on top of that, they are giving out a $500 signing bonus. They also give a standard benefit package that includes health, dental insurance, paid time off, and 401k. Now, I do have their main review page linked down below as well. They have 52 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please, if you have any suggestions of how I can be more helpful to you or how I can make this channel better, please leave them down below. I am looking to change things up a little bit, making sure I am being helpful to you. I've become very selective in the things that I am sharing, but if you have anything at all to say, leave it down below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.